At Pillarhouse, we have over 30 years' experience in the design and manufacture of specialist soldering equipment for the electronics and PCB-related industries. Today, we offer an extensive range of selective soldering solutions from low-cost, flexible, standalone entry-level systems through to advanced, high-speed, integrated inline production cells. Our systems are used widely by the world's major electronics contract manufacturers and with particular emphasis to automotive, telecommunications and military applications. In response to our customers asking for an entry-level benchtop machine to complement our proven standalone Jade range, Pillarhouse is pleased to launch the all-new desktop entry-level Pilot machine. Perfect for small to medium batch hand load operations, wanting a high specification, value option and ideal for SME producers where floor space is at a premium and flexibility and energy saving are key considerations. The Pilot comes with 2 universal quick change tooling carriers as standard to enable optimum cycle time in boards up to 330mm by 250mm. Pillarhouse's patented industry-leading drop jet fluxer also comes as standard, enabling quick, accurate flux deposition, and an optional bottom side IR preheat is available as an extra for users processing multi-layer PCBs or using water-based fluxes. Although the most affordable machine ever offered by Pillarhouse, the Pilot still features as standard our highly acclaimed, highly flexible AP solder nozzle technology. For more demanding applications, our optional market-leading patented 1.5mm micro nozzle offers the ultimate in flexibility when soldering pins with close proximity SMT devices. Additional options include a manual fiducial correction and an integral fume filtration system. The process is enhanced by a localized hot nitrogen environment at the point of soldering. And the Pilot is available with an optional nitrogen generator which is neatly built into the base of the unit, foregoing the need to take up valuable bench space as it then becomes the Pilot stand. The Pilot has been engineered with the user in mind and with a requirement for low and simple maintenance. The slide-in, slide-out solder bath gives ease of access, and this with our proven impeller-driven pump technology ensures a highly reliable, low-maintenance system. By carrying the PCB over the flux, solder and preheat stations, the Pilot offers a highly accurate XY system. Our acclaimed Pillarcom industry-leading programming and control software gives the operator the ability to create and process programs quickly and easily using our proven point-and-click interface and many other user-friendly features. An optional offline programming is available via PillarPad, which allows programs to be generated independently from the machine, further saving time and money. The all-new benchtop Pilot revolutionizes the entry-level selective soldering market from Pillarhouse.